We've moved the Space Coupe to WonderWorks, and they're going to do the interior. These are the door skins. It'll be modified to fit. These, of course, will be clear, just like this. These are just construction bubbles to give us the, you know, the shape, the idea of the shape. So, but both sides, we've got to work on these doors, get these skins on. We're going to get this new bubble going, and then Paul came up with this interesting idea of putting a vent around here. There'll be a little space so that it'll be a vent for air inside. That's a new design idea that we know that Bill probably would have done, because as he worked on this car over those years, he changed the design and design elements, and it was constantly evolving, just as it is now as we attempt to complete it. Not attempt, we are completing it now in 2019. It's going to be ready to drive. These are some of the drawings, the sketches, ideas that they've been coming up with here at WonderWorks for the interior of the Space Coupe. As you can see, sort of evolving some of the ideas for the dash with the instruments. We're kind of patterning it off of space, 60s, a little combination of 60s and futurism. Pieces, various pieces. You can see we're going to have some very unique seats, like springs that attach them to the side. Some of the ideas for gauges. You can see over here. It's over here behind the astronaut suit. It's one of the things they do here at WonderWorks is all things space related.